Welcome to the ePageCity news blog walkthrough. I'm going to show you how you create and edit news blog posts on your site. The first thing you always want to do to create new content is go up to the Add Content button at the top of your admin bar on your browser. When you click on Add Content, it's going to bring you to a listing of all different choices, but for now I'm going to click on Blog Post to create a new blog post. And once you click there, you'll notice that you're brought to your new blog post, and the very first thing you want to do is fill out the title field to name your article properly. Next, you'll have the option to show date or author, or show both. I do suggest showing date only, as show author will show the author as the administrator, which may not be what you want. You can set the publish date of the article as you'd like. I suggest pre or current dating, and also, of course, the time. You can also set initial teaser text that will appear on the initial blog teaser page, which I'll show you an example of later on, and a teaser image to go alongside that teaser text. Finally, the body area is a little mini editor where you're actually going to input all the information for your actual article. You can put text, imagery, documents, links, pretty much anything you can do in the standard editor you can do in here. And finally, you can set tags for your blog post. I do suggest setting tags that you eventually will use again in other blog posts, and I'll show you what these tags do momentarily. And of course, once you're done, just hit save to create your new blog post live on the site. Once created, it's going to bring you to the article page. I'm going to go ahead and click on blog, show you the teaser page. So here's our new blog. It's at the top because it's the most current dated blog post, and you'll see there's teaser text, teaser image. But when I click on read more, I am actually brought to the article page itself. And you'll notice these tags I mentioned. When I click on one of these tags that are associated with this article, I'm actually brought to a listing of any article I've ever created that I also tagged with a similar keyword, which is useful, helps users find, blogs of the same type. Finally, if I need to edit a blog post, I can simply go to my blog page and click on the Read More link, and then edit, and I can make changes to that blog post or delete it if I'd like by scrolling down to the bottom of the page and clicking on the Delete button, and then just confirming the delete by clicking Delete again. And that is it. Thank you for taking the time to watch this module's how-to video. If you have any questions or issues using this module or the content management system as a whole, feel free to give us a call directly at 312-291-2200, and a customer service representative will be more than happy to assist you. Thanks.